Hi, my name is Manuel Oliva and I'm going to be making chocolate chips cookies for the Iron Chef project. Now I'm going to do the conversions. I have decided to use flour because it is the first ingredient on the list. The formula for flour is C4H8O4. First thing I have to do is going to be the molecular mass. To find the molecular mass, you use the atomic weight of the elements. The atomic weight of carbon is 12.011 and I'll multiply that by 4 because in this formula carbon has a subscript of 4. Then I add that to the atomic weight of hydrogen, which is 0.008, and I multiply that by the subscript of 8. Then I add that to 15.999 and multiply by 4. This is 120.104 grams per moles of C4H8O4. Now, because I want to compare from moles to grams, I need to eliminate the moles. So I put 2.66, which is the moles that they are giving me. Moles of C4H8O4, and I multiply that by 120.104 grams of C4H8O4 divided by 1 mole of C4H8O4, and that is 319.47664 grams of C4H8O4. So 2.66 moles of C4H8O4 equals 319.47664 grams of C4H8O4, and that's my final answer. Now I'm going to do the conversion for the eggs. I'm going to use the same steps that I used for the flour. So first I'm going to do the molecular mass. To do the molecular mass, I need to use the atomic weight of the elements. The atomic weight of carbon is 12.011 multiplied by 6 because 6 is the subscript. I add that to 1.008, which is the atomic weight of hydrogen, and I multiply by 12 because 12 is the subscript. I add that to 15.999, which is the atomic weight of oxygen, and I multiply by 3, which is the subscript. Then I add that to nitrogen, which is 14.007, and multiply that by 2 because 2 is the subscript, and then I get 12.011 multiplied by 6, 1.008 multiplied by 12, 15.999 multiplied by 3, and 4.007 multiplied by 1. And now I get 160.173 grams per moles of C6H12O3 and 2. And now, because I want to get it in grams, I'm going to get out the moles. So they give me 0.624 moles of C6H12O3 N2. I multiply that by the molecular mass, which is 160.173 grams of C6H12O3 N2, divided by 1 mole of C6H12O3 N2, and that is 1.625 9.947952 grams of C6H12O3 N2. So the final answer is 0.624 moles of C6H12O3 N2 equals 99.947952 grams of C6H12O3 N2. And this is my final answer. Now I'm going to do the baking part of the video. I'm going to add the flour, the baking soda and the salt, the brown sugar, and the sugar. I'm gonna mix it up. Now I'm going to add the eggs, the vanilla, and the butter. I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm going to add the chocolate chips. Now I'm going to cook the cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the cookies are done baking and they are ready to eat. These are the ingredients that we had at the beginning in moles, and these are the ingredients already converted to grams.